I'm Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about how home appraisers are selected. Like who determines whether Joe or Jane go out and actually do the appraisal on the house? So who picks these appraisers? So in the mortgage world, there's what's called AMCs. These are third parties. These are not affiliated with mortgage companies typically. These are independent, standalone companies. An appraisal management company. This was an industry that got like poof, created out of thin air many years ago when Dodd-Frank came out. Back in the old days when the mortgage meltdown happened, what was happening is mortgages and mortgage lenders, bad mortgage lenders were saying, hey appraiser, I need this value on this home, and if you don't give it to me, I'm not sending you any more business. And so obviously it would put undue stress, and the appraisers would be biased or influenced to give this. So now an appraisal management company is a third-party company that ultimately selects the appraiser. Now here's the deal. Every mortgage company is different, but I'll tell you just kind of generically how we operate for people that I know in the industry, myself included in our company. These appraisal management companies, you can have a panel. You can say, hey, they're going out to city X over here or in this area. We want these 5 or 6 appraisers to kind of be on that rotation. You can do that to where it's like, hey, cool, I don't know which one's gonna go, but I know these are qualified individuals. They have a history, a track record, they do great work, they're fast, they're responsive, they're accurate. All those things make them really good because again, we need that as lenders. We wanna make sure it's accurate, we wanna make sure it's on time, wanna make sure they don't charge you like crazy cost. So we just wanna make sure that these are good, reputable appraisers, and we can say, here's that pool or here's this panel. And you can do that for certain parts of the area in the Metroplex because some areas are very different. You don't want some guy driving 50 miles to an area he doesn't know. So that's what the panels are. And the AMC, the appraisal management companies, we just put an order in. Our ops people, not sales people, not loan officers. Somebody in the ops department says, hey, we need an appraisal on 123 Main Street. And they tell the AMC that. AMC then goes to say, hey, appraisers, who can get this by this deadline, and they get to pick from that panel. So we are not allowed to tell who goes. We're not allowed to talk to them. We're not allowed to influence them. That report comes back and we move forward. So it's very important to work with a company that has a great AMC relationship, has a great panel that they can pull from to make sure you're getting really good appraisals that are accurate, on time, and just really and truly just make sure that they are correct. That's what the number one thing we're looking for. If you guys have questions, you can find more at mortgagemark.com. And as always, when you think mortgage, think Mark.